Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is China Nyanwa. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Nnewi, Anambra State, Nigeria. Today's video is going to be a reaction video on a hate message that was sent to one of our fellow YouTuber here on this platform. Her name is Sandra's Reality. This message was sent with the name Felicia Enuma, or whatsoever that she calls her name. So as you guys can see, my face is not that smiley. My face is like this because I am not okay with that email. I am not okay for the fact that someone sat on her bed or wherever that she's sitting and composed that useless email. Why are people like this? Felicia Enuma, this your message is all about hate and jealousy. Because if not for that, why will you sit down and compose that nonsense? So I'll be reading out the email line by line, paragraph by paragraph, and the message goes like this. Hello Sandra, how are you and your family? I hope you all are okay. Madam Felicia, thank you for asking. I listened to your first story on YouTube, and since then, I've been watching your videos. You've gone through a lot in life, which I believe should make you a better person, which she is. There is something I would like to bring to your attention. Social media is an open space where information flies around. As an influencer, you need to be real because your subscribers can see and feel it. I understand that your experiences in life have left some negative traits in you that you need to work on. Sandra, you have benefited a lot from people since you started your YouTube channel. You stay in front of camera and tell us how life has been unfair to you, and people helped you out of pity. Madam Felicia Enuma, the oversabi of YouTube, the woman that knows everything, the woman that is strong despite what she's passing through. I hail you, but sometimes you need to keep some stuff to yourself. From what you wrote on this email, you don't even know Sandra. Sandra is a very strong woman. Sandra has been through a lot in life. Sandra is the person that has been catering for her family and for her children. She's a widow at a very young age. I don't think she deserves this kind of email from you because you are a woman, and I think you might even be a mother. So you're not supposed to come out on an open space and wrote this babash and wrote this nonsense to her. Why are you like this? The experiences Sandra has been in life have not left any negative traits on her. Rather, it makes her to be a strong woman. It makes her to be an independent woman. It makes her to be who she is today. Madam, you said that her experiences in life have left her with a negative trait. Let me just start by telling you that you don't even understand what negative traits are. So, my dear, you don't even know Sandra too well. You need to come close to me. Let me tell you what she has been through. Let me just help you with her stories if you want to know. Because people like you don't even understand the meaning of life. You said social media is an open space for everybody. And Sandra is on this platform to share with us what she has been through in life, and not for people like you. I don't think you've ever struggled in life. I don't think you've ever felt pain, because Sandra have known pain. Likewise me, I have my own stories to tell someday. But let me tell you, madam, if you don't know what to write, Biko, Narona Begi, we don't need your opinion. We don't even need your opinion one bit. As you said, this platform is an open space. And everybody has their own full rights to air their stories. So, madam, you can't stop Sandra. None of your message can stop her. Okay, you said that Sandra, that she has benefited a lot from people since she started YouTube channel. Of course, let me tell you, Sandra has been benefiting from kind people, people with kind hearts outside of YouTube. Sandra has been benefiting from what she's doing. She's a hardworking woman, and people love someone like that. So don't use YouTube as an excuse to say whatever you want to say. People that gave her money didn't give it to her out of pity. They gave it to her out of love. Do you know what it means to be loved? They gave it to her out of love because they understand what she has been through. They understood her pain. So, my dear, Sandra is not begging anyone for money. They did it out of love. From this first paragraph, what I saw from this your email is just hate. You are a very bitter person. It's just hate, jealousy, and you are clout chasing. You might even be a fellow YouTubers like us, which I don't even know. But there are some things you don't come out in an open space like this to just voice out or to send to someone. Sometimes you need to be kind with the kind of words you use on people. So the second paragraph says, why do you block subscribers from helping other people? Why do you want to eat alone? Alone. Okay. If you think deeply, you will understand where I'm coming from. Several people on YouTube have tried to reach out to others through you, but you stopped them. You need to pray against greed and envy because it's about to mess up with your YouTube career. Okay? You claim to be a Christian, but you allow money to rule you. You need to control your lust for money. A lot of people on YouTube are starting to see you as a greedy and envious person. When people help you, allow them to help others. If they ask for information that you will help another person, give it to them if you have it. I'm telling you this because many people have tested you and you failed. Hiya. The love for money is the root of all evil. Money is not everything. Thank God you understood that money is not everything. From this paragraph, Sandra does not block any subscribers from helping people. In fact, Sandra has been of help to people that she doesn't even know. Sandra is a very kind person. Sandra does a lot out of her own pockets just to help people. So Sandra had felt the pain and she understood what it means to help people. So even without the subscriber sending her money, Sandra does that on her own. Sandra does that especially to the widows. So she does that. She doesn't need anybody when she was doing it. The only reason why we knew about that is because we are close to her. Sometimes we follow her to the place she wants to go and give out some alms to people. Sometimes we follow her to the place she wants to go and help those people in need. So that's how we knew about all Sandra sending people money, despite the subscribers sent to her. So my dear, you need to work on yourself because all I can see is that you are sick in the brain. So, and the third paragraph says, stop taking advantage of your subscribers who are helping you. You know how you've been managing your life before you started your YouTube channel. So stop making unrealistic demands from your subscribers. If you can't afford something, turn your face away from the thing instead of putting pressure on your subscribers. If someone gives you something, appreciate it instead of asking for more at the expense of another person who could have benefited. Stop the secret competition with your fellow content creators who are just busy living their lives. Don't allow greed to tarnish your image on YouTube. Live a good life, and God will send helpers your way. Stop saying things to please your friends on your channel. As a child of God, speak the truth no matter what. Live and let others live. I know that this will be coming as a shock to you, but that's the power of social media. The words have ears. You need to be careful. A word is enough for the wise. This person said that she's taking advantage of her subscribers. Is a typical lie. Sandra does not do so. As I said earlier, people that helped her out of love, not out of pity, and not that she's taking advantage from them. So, and you see that she's making unrealistic demands from her subscribers. You are a typical liar. Sandra does not do so. In fact, let's just keep this YouTube aside because Sandra's life does not depend on this YouTube. Sandra is an independent woman that has been working so hard for herself, for her children, and for her family. So YouTube is not the main reason Sandra is making money or whatever you think that's the problem. The problem I can see now is just envy. You are just jealous. This is just pure hate. As I said, you must not like everybody, but coming to social media to voice these things out is what is really pissing me off because it's not called for. So you guys shouldn't worry about how dark this room is because it's raining outside. This lady said that Sandra is competing with her fellow content creators. Biko, Sandra is not competing with anyone. We all have our own niche. So everybody's airing their own story. Everybody has their own niche before coming to YouTube. So Sandra is not competing with anybody. Oh, Enugo. Stop spreading hate. You said that she's a child of God. Everybody is a child of God. But it depends on how you understood the meaning of being a child of God. So you need to go to your house, bring your Bible, go through your Bible and understand the meaning of love. Understand the meaning of being a true Christian. Understand the meaning of being a true child of God. My dear, that's what you need at this point. Sometimes I used to wonder in this life that we are, why are people like this? Why does people hate seeing people being happy? Why are people so engrossed with hatred? Why are people so daft that they don't even understand what they put down in writing before airing it out? You sat in your house, Madam Felicia. You sat for some time, composed this email, and you felt that it's okay, and you now sent it out. My dear, you need Christ in your life. Okay? Sandra is not putting anyone into pressure. Sandra has been herself from the day she started this her YouTube channel. Sandra has been striving to succeed in life outside YouTube. So, my dear, this YouTube she started is just a bonus to her career. And all I pray for her as I'm sitting down here is for her to excel. Is for her to excel in every endeavors of her life, to be able to take care of her 2 kids. It's not easy being a widow. So many people have done a lot of immoral things. Some are into prostitution. Rather, she prefers to struggle. She prefers to work hard. She prefers to do so many things that is called business just for her to grow. So, my dear, stop the hate. Because hate message is a serious case. Felicia Enuma, leave Sandra and her family alone. And whosoever that joined hands in engineering that email, please leave her alone. Leave Sandra and her children alone. Leave Sandra and her family alone. Leave Sandra and her channel alone. Because if you don't want to be watching her channel anymore, because exit. People, there are some people that are here to listen to her stories because her story is a message of hope. Her stories is everything. It's not easy. Okay? So if you don't know what to say, my dear, sit back in your house and rest. Nobody's begging for your opinion. If you have the mind to share your own stories, please stand in front of your camera and say yours. We will all be here to listen to your own stories. So I think I've come to the end of this video. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye.